Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody else was watching somebody else's video. He does a great job, but he doesn't speak English and he's a little fast. And I even had trouble kind of getting some of the concept. So we're going to draw an ellipse and hit P, Control D and make a duplicate. I'm changing some of the way he's doing it. And then I'm going to Control D down quite a few times. Now we need to take that outer ring and move it out of the way. And that's one of the problems in this video. He does something different. I don't know what he's doing. Control D and make a duplicate and let's rotate that 20 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. Now we need to take all these lines and make them a thicker point. But then we need to go to object and convert an outline to an object. Now, if you can see, they're not grouped together, so we need to select them all and go up to object and group them together. Now we can put this ring back. By doing that, now if we select everything, we can go back minus front and we get that right there. Then we can color it in with that color, take away the line, and basically we have a white line behind there, or no line behind there basically. But here's kind of the neat part that he does. I really appreciate his work. Select all the nodes. Go up to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and we're going to round them off 0.3. What that did, that rounded those objects off. Now we need to take an ellipse, and you could make it bigger or smaller, as long as it's visible on top. Now we're going to open up under Effects, Lens, and go to Fisheye, and look at that. And then we're going to say Frozen if you're happy with it. If you're not happy with it, you can move it around. Now, the only other thing is it still has a white background. So select it, go up to Object, Group, and ungroup it, and grab the white and hit Delete. That took away the outline. Now hit it again, and you get that look. That's a pretty cool logo if you ever had to make something like that. And you could do, quite a bit bigger, even an oval, and use the lens effect. It doesn't have to be right there on that corner. Go lens effect, fisheye, and then like I said, you could move it around, see what you want, and then hit Frozen. And when you do that, it freezes it. But don't forget, if you're going to print this, you need to go to Object, Group, and let's go ungroup all. Doesn't really matter. Then you click it twice to get rid of the outline, which is our circle, and our field. I hope that helped a little bit to that gentleman, and thank you for watching.